Hey everyone, so we've all been there. You need to send a large file through email, but you get that annoying message saying that the file is too large to attach. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to send any file size through your email using a simple link. And we're going to use TinyHost, which lets you upload any file and get a shareable link within seconds. So here I am with a 30 megabyte video file that I need to send to my colleague. Now, most email providers will have a 25 megabyte limit, so this won't work as an attachment. Instead, I'm going to head to TinyHost and click upload. So all I do is I drag and drop my large video file right here, and I'm going to name the link something descriptive like, let's say project video. Yep, that's perfect. And since this contains sensitive information, I'm going to add a password protection. So only the person I'm sending this to can access it. So I'll just click publish now, and that's it. So within a few seconds, my 50 megabyte file is live on the internet. Now, instead of attaching the file to my email, I just copy this link, paste it into my email along with the password, and I just hit send. Now, I want to show you a super useful little plugin for Outlook, which I use daily. So it lets you send attachments as trackable links instead of actual files. Now, why would you want that? So for starters, sending a link means that you can update the file anytime, even after sending. So if there's a mistake that you want to change, the people you're sending this file to will always see the latest version. So here's how that works. When you're writing an email, a panel pops up on the side, as you can see here. You can then drag and drop any file into it. Now, instead of attaching it directly into the email, it just uploads it and it gives you a custom link. You can then link a name. Let's just say project 1, and then hit generate link from upload. Now, it creates a unique link tied to that recipient. So then I'll just paste it into the email body. In this case, I'm just sending it to someone called Tim. Now, only Tim can open this link, which is really useful. And when he does, I will get notified. So now you can even track views. So on the Tiny dashboard, we'll just go here. I can now see exactly how many times the link has been clicked. It shows me the file name, the recipient, and how many views it's had. Now, right now, obviously it's at 0 since no one's seen it yet. Now, it's also a lifesaver for large files. So Outlook has an attachment limit, and with this plugin, you can bypass it completely. So you'll never have to deal with those size errors again. I can't tell you the amount of times where this has come in handy. Now, another huge advantage is if I need to update the file, I can simply replace it on TinyHost and the same link will show the new version. So my colleague doesn't need a new email or link, everything updates automatically. And unlike traditional email attachments that clog up inboxes, this method keeps emails clean and fast. Plus, there's no file size limit, so you can upload gigabytes if you need to. So whether you're sending a work presentation, client files, or large media, TinyHost makes sharing through email simple and professional. The password protection, analytics, and ability to update files makes it way more powerful than traditional email attachments, and that's how you send large files through email the smart way. So if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on sharing content online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.